Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. Once again, I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me tell you about a new opportunity that I opened up right now, and this is focusing on my blog. So starting from now, I published a new Fiverr gig, then that will allow your articles to be added to my blog. Your articles can have backlinks in it pointing to your website, your products, or services you want to point out. So let me show you the Fiverr gig that I created. This is how it is looking right now, and I will guest post on my WordPress plugin business blog, and a short video, some description, the link which is here. So here are some articles from my blog, and let me check one, for example, this. So this is how things are looking on my blog, and let me show you more about the gig. So you can go to this gig, purchase it, and provide an article, and I will add it to my blog here. So this should be a well-written article with nice SEO content in it. You should provide also a featured image and some links from inside the article that can link to your products or websites. And this will provide you some SEO boost, because my website I achieved to have a pretty good SEO quality, and it is still in an upwards trend, so it is growing. So I will link in this video's description both my website and my blog, and also the gig where you can check how you can guest post to my site. So this is all for now. Let me know what you think about this idea, and until next time, have a great day. Bye bye. Stay safe.